morning. My name is Umerubab and I am here again with a very interesting activity, and the activity name is fingerprinting. Let's do the activity. Fingerprinting. So the activity name is fingerprinting, and what we have to do is we have to do fingerprinting in these patterns. These are pre-writing patterns and we have to do fingerprinting in these patterns. These are also very easy to make. Take a piece of chart, draw these patterns and take a paint, or you can use anything available at your home like food color, like ink. You can use anything for fingerprinting. Okay, start the activity. Now put your finger in the paint like this and do fingerprinting on the pattern like this. Start from the bottom, move towards top like this and follow the pattern. So now it's a standing line with the help of fingerprinting. Now make a sleeping line like this. Like this with the help of your finger. Put your finger in the paint, print your finger like this. Now it's a standing line, it's a sleeping line, again it's a standing line. This activity is very helpful in pre-writing exercises. Draw the pre-writing pattern and do fingerprinting on the pattern. This activity helps in developing fine motor skills. And this is a zigzag pattern. Slant lines, two slant lines, a zigzag pattern. So dip your finger in the paint, anything you available in your house like food color or ink, red ink, blue ink, any kind of ink, and do fingerprinting. Make a slant line like this. And now circle. Move your finger in a circle. Start from the top. You have to start from the top and move towards your left. Your left. I am repeating, move towards your left. And do fingerprinting on the line. The activity is very helpful in recognizing the patterns, learning the patterns, how to write, how to trace the patterns, how to write the patterns. And by learning these patterns, you are able to write letters, haroof and numbers. We use all these patterns in writing letters, numbers and haroof. So do fingerprinting like this. Start from the top, move toward your left, do fingerprinting, come down and then move towards top. So this is the way you have to do fingerprinting. I am repeating again. These are some pre-writing patterns. You have to draw it on the paper of chart, and with the help of any kind of ink or color, food color, or if you have paints at your home, you will use these for painting. So dip your finger in the paint and do fingerprinting. So you will learn the pattern, pre-writing pattern. And this activity is also helpful in developing fine motor skills. So now you know the different patterns, pre-exercise patterns, like these are standing line, sleeping line, then again standing line, slant line and a circle. So these patterns are very helpful in learning writing, tracing and in learning writing alphabets or numbers or haroof. So now here we have some numbers, and what you have to do is you have to move your finger on these numbers to understand the pattern or the shape of these numbers. So start from the top, down we run. This is number 1. This is number 1, or as you know, this is a standing line. This is a standing line. Number 1 is a standing line. Now move towards the next number. This is number 2. Start from the top, turn around, come down a bit slant on a railroad track and this is number 2. Start from the top, down we run, turn around and down we run a bit slant by making a slant line and then a sleeping line. This is number 2. Move towards our next number. This is number 3. Start from the top, turn around, come down, then again turn around. This is 3. 3 is round and round. 3 is round and round. 3 is round and round. What's next? Let's see what's next. Okay, this is also a pre-writing pattern, and what we have to do is we have to move our finger on the pattern. Go up, then come down. Go up, then come down. Go up, come down. Go up, come down. Go up. Again we have zigzag pattern. So start from the bottom, go up slant, come down slant. Go up slant, come down slant. Move your finger on the pattern. Go up slant, come down slant. Go up slant, come down slant. This is a zigzag pattern. Go up slant, come down slant. Go up slant, come down slant. So these are slant lines. This pattern is of slant lines. The zigzag pattern becomes with slant lines. Slant line up, slant line down. So this is the zigzag pattern. So we have done with our activity, and I am going to repeat for you the purposes of this activity. This activity helps you to recognize the pre-writing patterns. Pre-writing patterns, and I have shown you earlier standing line, sleeping line, slant line. So these are pre-writing exercises which we have done today. We have moved our finger on the different patterns. These patterns are helpful in writing. They are helpful in writing. We have to write different alphabets, numbers and haroofs. So these patterns help us in writing alphabets, numbers and haroofs. So these are very helpful exercises. Please do these exercises at home. Thank you so much.